Join me as I dive into the challenge of explaining how rocket reusability is changing the game for space exploration. Rocket reusability is a concept that has been gaining traction in the field of space exploration, and it's easy to see why. The idea of being able to launch payloads into space and then recover the rocket to do it all again is a total game changer. It has the potential to significantly reduce the cost of access to space and make it a much more sustainable endeavor. When we think about traditional space missions, we often think about the huge costs involved. Building a rocket is an expensive endeavor, and when that rocket can only be used once, it adds up quickly. Not only that, but the environmental concerns are also a major issue. The production of these single-use rockets results in a significant amount of waste, and the impact on the environment is substantial. Furthermore, the logistical issues are also a major concern. When a rocket can only be used once, it means that the team has to start from scratch with each new mission, which can be a huge undertaking. Additionally, the complexity of traditional space missions often leads to years of planning and development, with a huge team of experts working tirelessly to get everything just right. And even then, there are still risks involved. The rocket could fail to launch, or it could malfunction during its journey, resulting in a huge loss of resources. It's clear that something needs to change, and that's where rocket reusability comes in. Another major issue with traditional space missions is the lack of flexibility. When a rocket can only be used once, it means that any changes to the mission plan can be extremely difficult, if not impossible, to implement. This means that the team has to be extremely precise in their planning, which can be a huge challenge. And even then, there are still risks involved. In recent years, companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have been leading the charge when it comes to rocket reusability. They've developed new technologies that allow them to recover their rockets after launch and refurbish them for future use. This has been made possible through advancements in materials science, computer simulations, and advanced guidance systems. For example, SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket has been successfully recovered and reflown multiple times, demonstrating the feasibility of rocket reusability. This has been a huge breakthrough, as it has shown that it's possible to recover a rocket from space and use it again for future missions. Similarly, Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket has also been successfully recovered and reflown, further demonstrating the potential of rocket reusability. One of the most significant moments in space exploration history was when SpaceX successfully landed their Falcon 9 rocket back on Earth after an orbital launch. This was a major breakthrough, as it marked the first time that a rocket had been recovered from an orbital launch. The implications of this achievement are huge, as it means that SpaceX can now recover and reuse their rockets, significantly reducing the cost of access to space. This achievement is a game changer for the industry, as it opens up new possibilities for space exploration. With the ability to recover and reuse rockets, the cost of launching payloads into space is significantly reduced, making it more accessible to a wider range of organizations and companies. This could lead to a huge increase in the number of satellites in orbit and could even pave the way for human settlements on the Moon or Mars. The potential of rocket reusability is almost limitless, and it's clear that this technology is going to play a major role in the future of space exploration. By reducing the cost of access to space and making it more sustainable, rocket reusability is going to revolutionize the industry. So, what do you think about rocket reusability? Do you think it's the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about space technology, be sure to check out my other videos.